TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 191, Nasdaq's up 46, S&Ps are up 25, gold contracts down $3.80, trading at $1,112 an ounce. Now, what you have with gold is this: you're backing down, dramatically lighter volume. It's a Friday. They just can't get gold to a lower price. Pretty amazing performance by gold in the context that good old King Dollar right now, folks, is up 1,100 ticks. We're at 99.65. Last night, the Bank of Japan turned around and went negative rates for any banks that hold excess reserves. What that did, that took the Nikkei up almost 3%. It took their currency from 118 yen to $1 to 121, weakened the yen. Bottom line, gold is still holding price, which is pretty incredible. Silver's down 2 cents at $14.21. You get platinum flat at $8.66 an ounce. Copper is at $2.06 a pound. Light sweet crude's up $1 at $34.25. Now, bonds, check this out. The 10-year bond's up 9 ticks, 129.10. Now, the 10-year and the 30 went to new highs today. The 10 thus far has failed on price and volume. It's pretty amazing, too, actually. The spike it was going into was a spike from last October. Couldn't handle it. We're at 129.10. You closed at 129.08. That's a failure on price and volume. 30-year bond, different ballgame. 30-year is up a full point, was up a full point in 10 ticks, actually, at 160.31. Euro right now is at the 108, and the yen is at 121. Now, we go over and we take a look at the S&Ps. You can expect this volatility to continue. The SPY right now is up $1.98. We've done 22 million shares. What had happened yesterday is that high volatility, you got to a low, a rejected lower price, had lighter volume. What we're doing out here now is testing the high that was generated out here on Wednesday. That's the 191.56. Inside the NDX 100, the 3Qs. The 3Qs also rejected lower price yesterday, had lighter volume. What you're doing out here today, you're up 92 cents. We're at 102.92. What I expect you're going to see is this. I expect, actually, the way that the market has traded in the first half hour, we're at our highs. I don't expect we're going to go any higher. The volatility is going to come in. It's going to go back and forth, up and down. S&P points are at up 25 right now. This thing can break down to about under the 1900 in a heartbeat, go back up. Bottom line, you are building the B to a C of an ABC structure on the way down. A very large one, too, by the way. We go take a look at the bond market that we've been talking about. So what bonds did this morning is this, folks. Bonds got to, the 10-year bond got to 129.22, took out the October 2nd high of 129.18, gave it up on price thus far. You know, we have another 5-6 hours inside the bond market. This bond, if this closes at 129.08, that is a total failure on price and volume once again, which is going to be just absolutely amazing. We take a look at the 30-year bond. What we have with the 30-year is that the 30-year has tested the high that was generated on the 20th of January. Thus far, it hasn't been able to hold that price. And we'll see if, in fact, it's going to come in with lighter volume. The 30-year bond would have to do about 350,000 contracts. It doesn't look at this point that it will actually do that many contracts. Good old King Dollar, we take a look at King Dollar. What we have with King Dollar is this. King Dollar has some real juice inside of today. It is back up to the 99.80 area, and now it hasn't been able to make it over the 99.95 area. We'll see whether it can do it today. You get 38,000 contracts out there. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here Monday morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and